फकीर शहर के तन पर लिबास बाकी है। फकीर शहर के तन पर लिबास बाकी है, अमीर शहर के अरमा अभी कहाँ निकले। This is a शेर by a very sensitive poet, Sahir Ludhianvi. He says, the beggars of the city still have some torn clothes on. But the rulers, the masters of the city, have bigger desires, newer ambition. Sahir often spoke of the troubles of the common man in his poetry, and his anti-imperialistic stance was because of his involvement in the Tarakki Pasand movement, the Anjuman-e-Tarakki Pasand, or the Progressive Writers movement. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu poetry. Khuda Hafiz.